Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna be going over the new Easter update. Alright, happy Easter. Looks like we're in the rainy season. There'll be some new weather happening from now on. There's a new queue available if anyone wants to play mini games. Now you can join a queue just for those. Check it out on the queue tab. There are a few new cosmetics in the store as well. They should help keep the rain off. Oh my god! No freaking way! Hold on. No way! Dude! Is that lights? Dude! There's lights? Bro, there's like lights, bro! What? There's Bro, what? This is so Yo, people are gonna create so many people are gonna be playing. So many people are gonna be on this, like, they're gonna be creating jukes. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's so freaking crazy. Oh my gosh, no way. Alright, let's go. What? Umbrellas? Umbrellas? Oh, guys. There's an egg? You can have an egg on your head, on your face? Yo, I'm buying the egg. The egg. All hail the egg. All hail the egg. Oh my gosh, no way. This update is crazy. Can you stop, TJ? Dude, this is so cool. This is so cool. It is a really good update, TJ. Dude, this is crazy. Dude, update it. Update it. This is crazy. Wait, I'm gonna go try the umbrella. What? No. What? Whoa! This is so cool. This is so cool. Hold on. You know what I'm gonna do? Hold the ball. Wait, hold on. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying out something. Oh, this looks sick. The umbrella is sick. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is one of my favorite updates so far. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure that's gonna do it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.